Alright, hello everyone. The other day I was on the CIA website, reading room, and I stumbled across this massive article, 439 pages. It's a collection entitled Anomalous Mental Phenomena. So, what is that, you might ask? The description here is an observed event which deviates from what is expected according to existing rules or scientific theory. Sometimes the anomalous phenomenon is expected, but the reason for the deviation is unclear. The study of spontaneous or hard to reproduce anomalies may be considered pseudoscience. So some of the things they are talking about in here are precognition, clairvoyance, telekinesis, remote viewing, that sort of stuff. Stuff that would fall under the category of parapsychology. And they have a lot of mainstream publications, a lot of journal publications, an entire section devoted to magnetoencephalography, physics. A lot of good stuff in here. If you're into this sort of stuff, I'm sure you could find something in here. The main reason why I took a look through this document was to see if I could find anything relating to the Mandela effect. And I did briefly skim through most of it. I didn't see anything that immediately caught my eye. However, there were a couple of articles in here that I would like to point out. On page 220, there's an interesting article that I might read called The Question of ESP in Dreams from Yale University, November 1985. I will most likely read that one. That one looks pretty good. Another interesting one on page 357. Here they're talking about remote viewing. From what time frame does the information originate? From SRI International. That does look interesting. I will probably read that one. And also another interesting article on page 410. Here they're talking about using wormholes as time machines from 26th of September 1988. This looks interesting. It's got a whole bunch of complex math, which I do not understand, but if you're into that sort of thing, have a look at it. That looks interesting. Another article right afterwards talking about the same thing. A lot of interesting stuff in here. Information from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. Just a large compilation of stuff in here. So if you're interested in researching this sort of stuff, I'm sure you guys can have a look through here. Again, 439 pages, probably take me way too long to read through this entire document, so I probably won't bother. So that's why I'm just going to post the link to the entire thing in the description. If you guys want to have a look at it, feel free. Alright guys, bye.